a better way for our law enforcement agencies to serve our communities, aiding in search and rescue missions, managing traffic, and providing real-time surveillance when it's needed most. Enhanced with Paladin EXT, powered by DJI and T-Mobile LTE connectivity. Manage your fleet from the Watchtower dashboard. Augmented reality overlays for real-time insights. Share live video feeds instantly, anywhere, with any device. Autonomous takeoff, landing, and charging, ready in just 25 seconds for seamless operations. By using drones, it can help decrease response time and increase situational awareness. Drones give law enforcement the tools they need to protect lives while staying safe themselves. This is more than technology. It's the future of public safety. Innovating for a safer tomorrow, this is Paladin Drones.